everyone, it's Renee Olivia, and in this video I am going to talk about the City Beauty brand. But first, for all things beauty, skincare, and now fashion, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell. That way you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, so if you're not aware of City Beauty, let me just tell you a little bit about the brand before we talk about the products that they were very nice to send me. So City Beauty is a luxury skincare brand that is designed for skin rejuvenating and collagen supporting active ingredients in their products. They also pride themselves as being cruelty free. And they are Leaping Bunny and PETA certified, so that's amazing. So the products that they sent to me, they sent me a few skincare products in their line, and then also the lip gloss and lip line. So I'm very excited about it to tell you. We'll do two videos. I'll do the skincare in another video, but this one I'm going to talk about the lip gloss and the matte lip colors that they sent to me. And they are plumping serum, so it kind of gives you a little bit more of a plumping look in your lips, which I love. But the colors they sent me are absolutely gorgeous, and this is one. And they also gave me a clear, so I'll go over all of those colors and I'll kind of give you like what they look like on, because I feel like it's really important to see it on a person before you buy it. And also, before I forget, they were very nice enough to give anyone who orders from their citybeauty.com 10% off the entire order if you use Renee Olivia as the code, and free shipping over $50 for your order. So I think it's amazing, and that was very nice of them to do, because really they have the quality of the products really blew me away. The fact that I never heard of them before. They're a smaller brand, but wow, the quality is amazing. So I guess I'm going to go into a further review, and I really want you to see the lips, but let's get started. Okay, so here are all the different beautiful colors that they sent to me, and I'm sorry about this self-tanner. I really messed up my hands, but these are all the beautiful colors. This is a clear, but I've used it so much you can see that a little bit of a color in there, but I like to put the clear over top of the some of the colors. It just, the matte ones, it just glosses it up, and it's really, really pretty. But I love all, I'm gonna be completely honest, I love every single one of these colors, but I want to show you what it looks like on. And then also, it's recommended that you use these twice a day in order to get the maximum effect, the maximum plumping effect. They are paraben free. Also, they're very hydrating and very moisturizing for my lips. I really felt like they lasted really, really long, and my lips just feel so moisturized. I love it. And also it is there in their on their website, and you can go on there. I'll list the website down below, so you can check out and you can read more about the brand and the ingredients and all of that. But it's supposed to visibly reduce any lines around your lips. I don't personally have any lines, thank goodness, around my lips, so I cannot attest to that. But I can attest to the fact that it's super moisturizing and thick, and I love the colors, and it does give me a visibly plumper look for my lips. I feel like it does, so I think that's great. So let's just, I'll show you some of the colors now. Okay, so I'm going to put this City Lips, and this is the clear plumping lip gloss. So you're supposed to leave it on for like a minute, and I did the before pay. And I barely feel like any, like there's no burning or any like irritation for my lips, which is great. I just feel just a little, you know, numbing. Maybe not numbing's the right word, but okay, it's been a minute. What do you think? Let's do the before and after. Okay, so let's just try the lip glosses first. This is San Diego. How cute is that? I love this color. It's beautiful. I don't even need any like liner or anything. I love it so much. Okay, let's get this one off and try. This one is pink nude. Sorry, make sure it's all off. So pretty. Look how pretty that is. It's very natural, but gives you like a really, really pretty shade. I love it. And these are very moisturizing, very hydrating. Oh, this is Rosy Mauve. I love it. It's beautiful and it's perfect for fall. Okay, so those are all the different colors. I hope you liked one or many. Definitely check out the City Beauty brand. I'll link all the website below. I'll list the discount below as well, so you can at least get a discount before you try it all out. And like I said, I'm going to do the skincare review on my next video, or just look out for it because it'll be coming. Oh, look at this pimple. Nice, very nice. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it with your friends. I hope you all have a great day.